Hey everyone, it's Irma here, and in this video I'm going to talk about menu elements and how you can add a menu to your page. The first step is to create a menu, and you can do it through your WordPress dashboard. Under the Appearance section, click on Menus and then on Create a New Menu. Choose a name, click on Create New, and we can start building. The main thing you have to do is choose what to include and the order. I'm going to choose these pages, and this one I want to be the first one. Now just save the menu and let's go back to the Visual Composer front-end editor to finally show you the elements. I'm going to demonstrate them in the header builder, as it is usually where menus are located, but of course you can add them anywhere in the page. So I'm going to add a menu element to this header right here. Click on Edit Header and we're in the header builder. The menu elements are available at the Visual Composer Hub. And here they all are. Let's first add the sandwich menu and see what we can do. Now, the first thing you should do is choose the menu you want to display from the drop-down right here. So I'm going to choose the one that we created before. You can change all sorts of parameters like the style, color, or even add a hover effect. The parameters differ a little bit for different elements. For example, if you choose the basic menu element, you can enable underline hover effect, change the font size, and many more options. The possibilities are endless. And that's it for the menu elements. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!